In this video, we'll show you how to map a workflow for the process form you developed in the previous clip. In our business card example, a request is initiated by an employee and submitted to the line manager. Once the line manager approves it, it goes to the administration department and off to the print vendor. A process can be initiated by a user or a role, which means anyone assigned within a whole department or division can participate in a process. Every member of a department will have access to this part of the workflow. This means they can either approve on behalf of the department, or they can input the necessary data into the respective fields on behalf of the group to move the process along. In order to keep everyone on the same page and every task moving forward, you can set timeline requirements. If a prompt hasn't been responded to in 24 hours, the user will receive a reminder. If it hasn't been addressed in 48 hours, the user's manager will be alerted. Not only do you set the timeline, you also set the escalation. What's more, you've got the option of adding another supervisor above the line manager, who may just want to be notified, but who does not have to approve. We can add them to the workflow so they're aware of the process and can step in as needed to keep things moving. This anticipates natural stalling points, like the line manager out sick or traveling. If a business card request is for the UK, you might want to send it to a UK manager. But if the request is for Ireland, you probably want it to go to another manager. Here you can set the approval manager that is appropriate for every request. You can also add a parallel workflow by making the approval process and/or. This means that if one designated manager out of two approves it, you've got enough authority to proceed. Or maybe you'd like both managers to approve it. If one of the fields contains a special character that isn't allowed, like an ampersand, you will be alerted that this is invalid to help you avoid any mistakes or delays. TRANSFORA is built to minimize human error throughout the entire platform. In the next video, we'll show you how to define and add the process business rules.